Hey guys, now we're going to open the Google Home Mini that my dad bought for me. It's small and mighty, and you can just start with OK Google, and let's wait, okay. Now let's open it, and here's the Google Home Mini right on top. So I'm just gonna take that out, and it has a speaker and a mic switch and also a power cord and also a reset button. I'm just gonna put that there. And now let's open more contents. Let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna open this card. Okay, now this says plug it in, get the app, Google Home app, and then we're going to get the gray book, and it says plug it in, mic switch, volume up, long play pause, living room, let's play a game, let's find my phone, kitchen, bedroom, anything like that. And now we're going to do now we only have 3. I didn't show you that one because that's not important. And now this is the Google Home adapter, and it has 2 pins according to United States, and it has that. I opened it recently, and it's a micro USB. I want to put that. We don't have a plug-in adapter, so we're gonna use a power bank, and we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna plug the Google Home Mini over here, and it will take me a while to put it. Okay, now I'm done, and now I'm gonna press this button, and I will start generating. And now the LED came on, and oh, it's loading. You know, every device came on loading. Now, okay.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Now we're gonna get my phone, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and it says to open the Google Home app, and I have to look for devices. Now we're looking for devices here. We found the Google Home Mini, and yes, I would like to set up the device, and it will take a while to connect to the Google Home Mini. Okay, yes, I did hear the sound, and yes, I'm in. Proceed. And I want to set this device in the living room, but I couldn't find the living room, so I'm just gonna set the living room, and we're plugged into Wi-Fi. Now we're connecting to Wi-Fi. Now it's connected. Now let's go to next. And it's going to send something now. And it says voice match, and it says assistant can already recognize your voice. And I did that on my previous phone on the voice match. I remember it. Now, okay, I agree. Just a sec. Okay, now we're gonna play both of the samples. I like voice 1, and then we're gonna get started on voice calls. No, we're not. No thanks. And continue. Living room speakers ready. Now we're gonna just start.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. It's great to meet you. There are a lot of ways I can help you get things done. Let's try a few, or if you already know your way around, just say I'm done. First, we'll play a short music clip. Say, hey, and then Google, and ask me to play your favorite artist.
Play some music.
It looks like you haven't chosen a default music provider. You can do that in the Google Home app, then try asking again. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Tell me a joke.
Why won't the shrimp share its treasure? Because it's shellfish. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. For example, you can say, what time is it?
Hey Google. What time is it?
2:19.
Set the volume to 10%. Hey Google. Set the volume to 100%.